I've been keeping a secret for several months now, and I've been keeping a lot from you guys, and now is the time to just to come clean and tell you why I disappeared for 3 months. Well, here it goes. I want you to check this out. Take a look.
What did you do now?
Psst. Want to know a secret? A team of the nation's top experts
Problem solved.
are restoring historic family treasures
It's a ship that my great-great-grandfather made.
It's a labor of love.
in total secrecy.
That's my family. That's my heritage. This is going to be a complete surprise to him.
Everything has a story. We need to get back to telling those.
Wow.
Secret Restoration premieres Wednesday, November 9th at 10, only on the History Channel.
Did I have you going a little bit? Did you think, oh my goodness? I just have to say this. It was so difficult for me to keep it from you guys for so long. It was killing me. So I'm really glad that now you know. I feel so honored to be part of the History Channel's new television series called Secret Restoration. I just felt really very fortunate to be part of it all, and I get to bring you guys along with me. So check out the show. I think you're going to be blown away by the restorations that we did on the show. And I hope I make you proud. Well, comment in the comments below. Let me know what you're thinking. And well, I guess I'll see ya.